Welcome back to Plus Elegance, where style meets meaning, and elegance tells a deeper story. Picture this, a breathtaking swirl of rich golds, deep blues, radiant greens, and bold reds flowing across beautifully tailored plus-size gowns. Fabrics that move with grace, silhouettes that celebrate every curve, and patterns that command attention without saying a word. We admire them, we wear them, we feel confident in them. But what if I told you that every thread, every color, every motif is speaking, even when we are silent? Today, we are going beyond fashion. We are stepping into heritage, into culture, into a language woven in cloth. Because your favorite Kent or Ankara dress is not just beautiful, it is telling a story. As the camera lingers on the shimmer of fabric, notice how certain colors seem to draw your eye more than others. That is not by accident. In African textiles, color is never random. It is intentional, symbolic, and deeply rooted in tradition. Gold and yellow tones, for instance, are not just chosen because they shine. They represent royalty, wealth, and spiritual purity. When you wear a gold-accented Kent gown, you are stepping into a legacy of dignity and honor. You are not simply dressing up, you are embodying prestige. Now shift your gaze to green. That soft, refreshing green that often runs through Ankara prints carries the spirit of the land itself. It speaks of harvest, growth, and renewal. It is the color of life continuing, of seasons changing, of hope that does not fade. For the mature woman who has seen seasons come and go, wearing green becomes something powerful. It reflects wisdom, endurance, and a quiet strength that continues to bloom. Then comes blue, calm and steady. Blue whispers peace. It carries harmony, love, and unity. It softens the boldness of patterns and wraps the wearer in a sense of calm authority. When blue is woven into your outfit, it balances everything else. It tells the world that elegance does not have to shout. Sometimes, it simply rests. And then there is red. Bold, striking, impossible to ignore. Red is emotion. It carries stories of sacrifice, struggle, and sometimes even political expression. It reminds us that beauty and strength often come from overcoming. When red appears in your Ankara or Kent, it adds depth. It says there is a story here, one that deserves to be seen and remembered. But colors are only the beginning. Now we move deeper into the patterns themselves, where stories become even more personal. Imagine a fabric with gentle circular ripples spreading outward, almost like drops of water touching a still surface. This is the NSU Bura pattern, often called well water. At first glance, it looks simple, even calming. But its meaning is profound. It represents the ripple effect, the idea that every action we take, no matter how small, spreads outward and touches others. For a woman who wears this pattern, it becomes a quiet reminder of influence. The kindness you show, the wisdom you share, the way you carry yourself, it all reaches further than you think. This is not just a design. It is a philosophy woven into cloth. Now picture something more intricate, almost mesmerizing in its complexity. A Kent pattern so detailed that your eyes can hardly rest in one place. This is Adwanesa, a masterpiece among weaves. Its name means all motifs are used up. According to tradition, a master weaver once set out to create something so extraordinary that it would include every known design element. The result was not just fabric, it was excellence itself. Wearing Adwanesa is a statement. It says you appreciate artistry, creativity, and the pursuit of something truly exceptional. For the elegant, mature woman, it reflects a life that has gathered richness from many experiences, all beautifully woven together. And then we come to a pattern that feels both playful and powerful at the same time. Small shapes that resemble bundles or coins, arranged in rhythmic repetition. This is Sikatua, meaning money bag. It carries the hope and symbol of prosperity. It is often worn during celebrations, moments of achievement, or times when blessings are being called forth. But beyond financial meaning, it also represents abundance in life, joy, family, peace, and fulfillment. When you wear Sikatua, you are embracing the idea that elegance is not just about appearance, but about living a full and meaningful life. As the visuals slow and the fabric settle into stillness, one thing becomes clear. These designs are not accidental. They are not just trends that come and go. They are messages, carefully passed down through generations, waiting to be worn, seen, and understood. So the next time you stand before your wardrobe and reach for that beautiful Kent gown or that stunning Ankara dress, pause for just a moment. Look at it. Really look at it. Notice the colors. Study the patterns. Ask yourself what story it is telling, and what story you want to tell when you wear it. Because you are not just getting dressed. You are stepping into heritage. You are carrying meaning. You are wearing a legacy. And that is the true power of elegance. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these meanings surprised you the most? Was it the ripple effect of NSU Bura, the creative excellence of Adwanesa, or the abundance behind Sikatua? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's continue this conversation together. And if you love discovering the deeper stories behind fashion, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Plus Elegance, where every outfit has a voice, and every woman carries a story worth telling. Prompts to create the dresses.